Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something weird. A reader named Breeze sent this over. Very kind. Thank you very much. This is something, she said, a friend of hers got for her at the Cup Noodles Museum. Brought it back as a gift. This is a cup noodle of sorts. I'm guessing shoyu. I really don't know. But it's definitely one for kids. It's a small serving. It's that guy there. That's Anpanman. Yeah, Anpan is like a little filled biscuit. Sometimes with like red bean, stuff like that. Not really a biscuit, more of like a breakfast item. 170 milliliters of water for this sucker. That's not a lot. It's a little cup. Oh, let's get it going. Alright, here we go. And we put a lid on it. I'm guessing 3 minutes. I don't know why it would be any different. Yep, 3. There we are. And 3. So, what's going on? Not much here. Last review I just did was spicy, so I'm all But yeah, pretty stoked on this. Oh, so the other day I was talking about how we were gonna go get a new car. I tell you, they get you on the rope with those leases. We ended up leasing another one. Last time, I'm pretty sure last time we didn't put anything down and my wife was out of work at the time. And then we ended up this time and we put money down. My wife has a job now. And it was $3 less for a monthly payment. However, the ride we got has less features. They're both Honda Odysseys. The other one was a Honda Odyssey 2016 Special Edition. I can't remember why they gave us the Special Edition and didn't charge us extra. They showed us the Honda Odyssey EXL 2019, and that thing was... But they wanted like $700 a month for a lease. It's like, no. No. I was really hoping that maybe our car bill would go down. It went down $3. No. And then they're like, you should get this other thing for it. No. No, I'm not interested. Well, you know, and no. Well, if you... No. You guys keep putting the screws to us and we end up getting another lease. Well, why do we need that? So, yeah, it sucks. But the car's alright, you know. Although the lift gate's a little shorter, so it's like I bang my head on it. That blows. It didn't have a DVD player, because I'll tell you what, with those kids, it's like having their kid shows in the car. I always thought before I had like kids that, oh, that's stupid. Really? Just tell them to look out the window. Oh, DVD player in soccer mom car, whatever you call it, in an SUV. Yeah. DVD player in an SUV when you have 2 young children is so nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And they do still look out the window. So, there is that. But I'll tell you one thing. So, when we got it last time, it came with, just like this one, I want to say like 6 months free Sirius XM radio. And what happened when it ran out, they harassed us. And they still do. I still get junk in the mail saying, hey, come on. It's such a good deal. They called me for months too, like once a week. Yeah, we're calling up. Want to see if you want to get renewed and all up to date on your Sirius XM, buddy. No, we have kids. Oh, okay. This kind of tastes like chicken ramen. The broth certainly looks like it. And it's hot. And it's got little fun Naruto maki or fish cakeys. See a little guy there? Whee! I thought it said there were Anpanman ones too. It's all right. I mean, generally these neat little kids ones, they're okay. You know, you're not gonna get like a Nissin Rao that has a little picture of Anpanman on it, you know, but it's all right. Oh, there he is. Yeah. There's one. Yeah. Come on, Anpanman. Hop out. They like to sit on the edge like moths. Here we go. Like moths. Alright. Yeah, I set my alarm to go off this morning, and it did, just not the sound part. That really was unfortunate, because I woke up at 6, and I like to wake up 3 hours earlier. And so I didn't get anything done early. So I got a bunch of stuff to do, and I've been like trying to cruise through these reviews today as fast as possible. So, yeah, let's rotate, and then I'm gonna go get some stuff done. Alright, well, Lucky Charms ain't got nothing on this stuff, does it? That's pretty cool, huh? Alright, well, moving along. Monday's just about done. It's already 1:30. And it'll be time to hit the pillow before I know it. So, yeah. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching. And remember, me! Alright, bye.